Alright guys, in the last video I picked up these 5 lawnmowers here for $200, and also at the end of the video I started this one up. It was just a little bit carb cleaner and it ran on its own gas. So this video, what I'm going to do, drop the rear end, go ahead and take apart the rear end and try to get it unseized, because it'd be pretty cool to get this moving. Stay to the end of the video to figure out who's the super clean winner. Yeah, once again, like I said in the last video, I'm not done doing cars. I just got these mowers and I'm gonna be flipping stuff so I can make some money on these for the cars, so I can, well, until I get a job. But yeah, side hustle. This one at least will get me my money back, hopefully plus more if I can get the rear end working. But yeah, you can see, nice if it's nice, a Bolin's mower. But yeah, let's start out with this one, and that one and that Honda one will be last. I will go for this Sears one, but the steering's all seized. What I need to do to get this done, I'm guessing there's a bolt there and maybe there. Of course that. I think there's 2 there and 2 there, and it should drop out. Do something with the belts here. And yeah, I hope it's not bad. Oh, I guess all that, this junk here. All right, I really apologize if you can't see this. Alright, either this is going to be a 50-50. Either you like that I don't show everything without cuts and stuff, or you like it once I actually get somewhere and only record once it's actually needed. Because I see a lot of I see a lot of videos out there that just show everything as hours long videos. Those are boring, so I'm trying to get you guys some entertainment here. But yeah, almost got the rear end free. I'm going to disconnect the shifter here so I can get it free from under there. Then this should drop somehow, get the pole and get the belt out of there. Then it really should be free from here. I'll lower this rear end down, bring it somewhere, and hopefully try to get that freed up. All right, it's time to remove the thing. might go ahead and go get it somewhere where the hose can reach and clean it with some super clean. All right, got some super clean on there. Oh, we see. Now look at that. See how that's right on there? Hope I can find all the bolts. I snapped one of the bolts when I'm taking this off. Hope I don't do any to the rest of it. Also, here's the little brake thing. Look how nasty that is. I guess this thing has been leaking a little bit. I'll see if I can do anything about that. I don't know. Yeah. So we get down there on the rotor. Get real close. Sorry about the horrible noise. So I'm gonna do a montage about getting these off. They all seem like they're come off, so. Oh, I apologize, you guys couldn't see it. See, this tripod sucks. I guess I'll just take and choose, but I don't know if I need to take this off. I don't know. All right. Hope I don't. Oh, probably do. All right. See if this tripod will get you down there. The thing got full of water. I don't know how this goes, so I am just gonna go ahead and drench it in super clean and just hope it frees up something or do something. If not, then this rear end is a junk. I mean, all the gears move and everything. They don't look stripped. It just, this, I don't know what to do. I don't really know how it goes back together. I'll figure it out, though. I'm guessing there's got water in here because there's no gasket. Uh-oh. Yeah. I'll go see if I can find, a new rear end. If I can find a junk mower with the same rear end. Or I can find a rebuild kit, because I really just don't want to use one as a parts one, because if they're both the same, then yeah, but they're different in their own ways. One's a 12 horsepower, which I don't see online at all, really. But, yeah. I just don't know how this works, so I don't know what is wrong. I'm guessing something do this, and they're slidey, so I'm supposed to think this slides, but all the gears are here and hooked up. I just don't know. I'm gonna clean my hands bring these into the hoop shed, let them sit. They bring all the parts, not the rear. I don't know. I don't know, but I'll catch up to you some other day. I don't know, and the next day or tomorrow. All right, here in the hoop shed, I got the transmission and all the gears soaking in super clean. I think it working out pretty good because I don't know, but this stuff can probably now come off easy. I think this slider thing somehow does something with the gears and the transmission. Ignore the little rock. But I think what I gotta do, I gotta take these gears all out of here. I know you gotta do something to either to slot these in properly. I don't know what, but I'll take this off and I don't know, somehow get this moving. I have no idea how this transmission works. All right, off camera, what I did, I got this all freed up. As you can see, this rolls around. This, you know, it works. It finally works. But yeah, but now I got all of those gears to go ahead and clean up, and those, and those. There's no end to the fun here. Absolutely not. So I'm gonna do it all off camera, not to bore you, and I'll get back to you when I have it all on. Alright, on the process of taking these gears to clean them out, I really gotta remember to take pictures of how it all gone on. This side's all good to go. I finally figured out how these work, how the gears and all stuff work, which is great, because I didn't before. But yeah, I just want to take a moment from the video, guys, to thank you so much for the support and the support and the love you gave me for the last video. It almost has 1,000 views on it, and I hadn't got a video with 1,000 views in a long time, and I really appreciate it, guys, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for the people that subscribe and hit that like button. Hey, it really means a lot to me out here. And hey, and I didn't know I would be doing this year, but hey, it's fun though. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these cleaned up. I'm probably gonna have these sitting in a valve cover there, sitting in some super clean. And yeah, I'll get back to you when it really is all done. There we go. Got it all put back together. You're like, oh, you didn't clean it. Yeah, I didn't clean it well, but I still cleaned it though. You can't say I didn't, because look at that. And plus, this now moves around. But unfortunately, this has to be the end of the video. First of all, I would need to go ahead and get the right oil and gear lube, which if I were to buy online, I can't get it shipped. And I'm not going to town with this gas price. Also, if you guys watched the super clean video, you would know that there was a super clean giveaway going on, and only 4 people entered to get in it. I think Robert, Gary, Whiskey Dent, and I apologize if I get your guys' YouTube channel name wrong. The Keeler family, I really apologize if I mispronounced that wrong, but yeah, let's go ahead and spin that wheel. I'm only spinning it once, and whoever it lands on. And yeah, I'll give them, I don't know, a few weeks, or up until the end of this week or so to, I don't know, come on a video. Hopefully this video will be out by Wednesday or Tuesday, tomorrow, but yeah. And all right, Whiskey Dents, you won. Congratulations. So if you want, just email me your shipping stuff and just address and stuff, so I can forward it to Super Clean and stuff. And yeah, they ship. Well, you know how fast Super Clean ships and stuff, but yeah, I really appreciate you guys watching this video. Really enjoyed it. Hit that like button and comment down below. Which mower should I do again? The other Toro, which I can't find no information about it. It's a bit different than the other one. It's a 12 horsepower engine, and the other one's 11 horsepower engine, and this one's electric PTO and stuff. It's a bit different, guys. Should I do the Sears one or the Craftsman Sears? I gotta fix that steering and weld that hood. Should I do the Honda? I think that one should be last because Hondas, oh. I mean, just because it's melted, I don't want to deal with that so far, but I mean, I didn't know I was going to deal with a whole transmission and get it all fixed. Or should I do the Murray? I think I'll do the Murray one next and stuff. And hopefully that will work because that one looks like a pretty nice one. I might, but yeah, I'll see you guys next time.